Hello everyone, I am Ashwant Tebi. I am pursuing BE in the field of Electronics and Communication from Press Institute of Technology and Management, Shumoga. Today I am going to demonstrate about washing machine simulation project that I have done during my internship at Emergy Information Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore. By the end of this internship, I learned about embedded system and different types of embedded system. In C programming, I learned about data types, operators, arrays, string and pointers. Then I got familiarized with interfacing LED, digital keypad, buzzer and CLCD display with PIC16F877A microcontroller. Then I got familiarized with MPLAB XID and PICSIMLAB. Then finally, at the end of this internship, I did this washing machine simulation project. First of all, what is an embedded system? An embedded system is a microcontroller or microprocessor based system which are designed to perform a specific task. Few examples of embedded system are washing machine, ATMs, mobile phones and digital cameras. The different types of embedded system are as follows: real-time embedded system, standalone embedded system, networked embedded system and mobile embedded system. The following slide shows the different components of embedded system. It has a microcontroller or microprocessor and sensors and actuators for collecting the data and a software program. For this project, I have used MPLAB XIDE and PICSIM simulator. MPLAB XIDE is a code editor through which I have written the washing machine simulation code, and PICSIMLab simulator is a simulator through which these codes are run and executed. The following slide shows the images of PICSIMLab and MPLAB XIDE. A washing machine system contains a microcontroller, buzzer, LCD, mechanical keypad and any other components, as you can see in this slide. Following slides are going to represent the components that are used in this project. In this project, I have used a PIC16F877A microcontroller. This slide shows the architecture of it. It has a buzzer, LEDs, digital keypad, CLCD display and etc. Then I have used CLCD display. CLCD stands for character liquid crystal display. There are two types of CLCD display. One is 16x2 and the other one is 16x4. For our project, we have used 16x4 display. D0 to D7 are the data lines in this CLCD display. Whenever the RW is equal to 1, then the characters are read from this CLCD display. Whenever the R bar W is equal to 0, then the characters are written on the CLCD display. This slide shows the diagram of CLCD display. Tactile key is a switch in which whenever the key is pressed, it allows the flow of electricity. It activates when pressed and then turns off when released. This action is called as momentary action. The following slide shows the images of tactile switch. Tactile key matrix is used in the PICSIMLab board. Timers. There are three types of timers in PICGenius board. These are timer 0, timer 1 and timer 2. Timer 0 is a 8-bit timer. It counts from 00 to FF. There are 15 interrupt sources in case of this microcontroller. Let me explain this project by demonstrating. As you can see, this is an MPLAB XID. Once the code is written, then we will build this code. Once the build is successful and the load is completed, in the PICSIMLab, we will load the hex file. As you can see, it displays press key 5 to power on the washing machine. By pressing key 5, the washing machine gets turned on. Once it gets powered on, the display shows different washing program. By clicking key 4, user can select different washing programs. And by long pressing key 4, they can select the different water levels. Again, by clicking key 4, they can select the different levels of water level. And again, by long pressing it, they can select the water level. Once the user presses the key 4, now they have two options to stop or start the program. If the user stops the program, again the washing program will be displayed. Again the user can select the different programs. By clicking key 5, user can start the program. And displays the timing program. And it also displays the type of function. Either it is a wash function or spins function. If user wants to pause the program, they can pause the program by pressing key switch, and they can start the program again by pressing key 5. Whenever the door is open, it displays that the door is open and please to close the door, and buzzer turns on. And finally, when the washing program gets done, the buzzer will beep. This is all about washing program simulation. Thank you.